But now let me show you how you can actually join these programs being without joining the PartnerStack network. So this is going to be very helpful for you if you are struggling to join programs. So let's say I want to join monday.com or any platform for that matter. So if you go back to discover platform or partnership, you notice that most of them would want you to join the partner network. For instance, if I try Brave again, it will take me to join the partner network. All right. So I cannot join it because I am not a part of the partner program. But let me show you how to do that. So let's say I want to join monday.com. I want to go to monday.com website. So this is a monday.com website. If you scroll to the bottom of this page, you see their option to join their affiliates link. All right. So this is for the affiliates. So if you click on this affiliates here, if you click on this affiliates, it will bring you to another form here, and this is the form. All right, so it tells you to join the form. It is still under the PartnerStack, but you can fill this form. So in this case, Monday themselves, they will be the one to like verify you and all of that. So you can see what they want. They say this is a good fit if you own a unique content platform like blog, review sites, YouTube channel, comparison sites, etc. to promote monday.com and drive users to the platform. All right, so lead generation is also good. All right, so if you come here, you just want to select the program you want to join. So we are like affiliates, and then you put your name. As you can see, my name is already in, like I can't change it anymore because this was how I joined the other platforms. All right, on this account. So on my other account, I already joined the partner network. If you have your website, you put your website here, and then you select your country. Don't worry about your country, they don't care so much. Select are you currently using Monday? You can just say no. If you are using it, you can say yes. All right, and then they ask you which other SaaS company are you promoting. The trick is to list their competitors or businesses that are related to their own, so that they want to also get in size with you, get in touch with you. So you find their competitors or business that are related to them, put it here, put your company size. There's no shame in being a one-person company. People are really interested in what you can do and not the size of the company. So in my case, I can say maybe 2 or 3. And then you just tell them about yourself, what you do. In my case, I create content around stuff like this. I put it here, and then you can check the agree to the terms. All right. So for instance, it is completely forbidden for a partner to bid on monday.com. This is if you are running ads on Google search ads. They don't want you to go and bid on this domain name or their name. So you can bid on other things that are related to their services, but not this one. Also, they would take any form of ad impersonation, like doing any shady thing to promote the platform. So once you do that, you can just submit. So in most cases, these guys themselves, they will be the one to approve you. And when they approve you, they will send you a PartnerStack link that you can now use to join. And then after you join, you can now come back and create your affiliate links. So that's basically how you can join PartnerStack without joining the network itself. All right. So if you join it, let's say for instance now this 11 labs, you can now click on it and then you generate your affiliate links. All right. So if you come to here, you see your links. You see your links and you can generate your link. So this is going to be your affiliate link. So anybody that clicks on this would be brought to your dashboard. All right, so you can create custom links if you want. So you can title it what you want, describe it what you want, and this is a destination. All right, and this is where you customize your link. It will still be your affiliate link, and this is where you find your customers. This is where you find all the messages from maybe the 11 labs themselves. This is where you find it, and you can also write 11 labs directly. And these are the resources. So most of the platforms here, they are going to have this. So these are the resources, the stuff they've provided for you to use to market their their product. All right, so they provided like ebooks, copies, email copies, even AI agent content ideas, brands and logos and all of that. So you see the document and everything that you can use to start marketing the product. So this copy swipe, if I wanted to use it as a PDF, I can just click on download here and I'll download it and use it. So that's the first step, joining the marketplace. So we are now in the marketplace. We've gotten our affiliate link in the marketplace. All right, so the document has downloaded. So this is a swipe copy. If I open it, you see that this is from 11 Labs, and this is this is for Twitter copy, LinkedIn short email copy, short blobs for video creators, and short tweet copy. So you see this. So just in case you cannot create your own tweets, they've just given you these tweets that you can create and put your link in it. All right, so that's the first step. You join the platform, you can get these materials if you wanted, but the most important thing you need to get is your affiliate link, because all your efforts are going to come into your affiliate links.